Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto in Binance application. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy crypto in Binance, firstly open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on Portfolio option at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, click on Buy Crypto. Choose a crypto you want to buy and tap on it. You can also search for a crypto on the search box. Now enter the amount to buy crypto and tap on Buy. Check your card or bank details, your cash balance and amount you want to pay and click on Confirm. This is how you can buy crypto in Binance application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.